Hi guys, today we remove multiple accounts from the Roblox app. First, open the Roblox app on your device. Once the app opens, select the account that you want to remove. Make sure you're on the account you intend to remove because this method only affects the currently selected account. After selecting the account, look at the bottom right corner where you'll see a More option represented by 3 dots. Tap on More, and this will open additional settings and options for managing the account. Now scroll all the way down in the More menu. At the very bottom, you'll see the Logout option. Tap on Logout, and this will remove the selected account from the Roblox app. Don't worry, this does not permanently delete the account, it just removes it from your device temporarily. If you have multiple accounts, repeat the same steps for each one. Open the account, tap More, scroll down, and log out. This way, you can remove all the extra accounts from your Roblox app quickly while keeping your main account active. And that's how you can remove multiple accounts from Roblox without permanently deleting them. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more easy gaming tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help with another Roblox feature.